Hey everyone, this is Master Dan. So we're gonna talk about how to interpret ABG as simple as possible. So there's a lot of students having difficulty interpreting the ABG. So ngayon guys, we'll just follow the simple step, the 1, 2, 3 step. Alright? So let's start. So when we interpret ABG, just remember, first rule ni Master Dan, always look for the pH. Ayan, if you can see it here, sinabi ni Master Dan, always look for the pH. So, what is the normal pH? The normal pH is 7.35 to 7.45. If the pH is down or below 7.35, the answer is acidosis. If the pH is up more than 7.45, the answer is alkalosis. Ayan. So, there are two pH, either up alkalosis or down acidosis. Okay, let's have a drill. 7.31, acidosis, alkalosis. Okay, let's see. 7.31 is below 7.35. So, ang sagot, lalagyan natin ng arrow. So, this is what? Acidosis. Kasi mababa siya sa 7.35 and the arrow is down. 7.54, what the arrow? Take note, the arrow is up. More than 7.45. So, alam natin this is alkalosis. Next, 7.64. Ay, araw na naman pa-up. So, alam natin, again, this is alkalosis. So, it will really depend on the movement of your pH. And the last one is 7.27. The arrow is going down. So, alam natin, this is acidosis. So, that's the first step. We have to determine first if it is acidosis or alkalosis. The second step, we need to look at the PCO2. No need to look at the HCO3 yet. Only the PCO2. So, how would you memorize the PCO2? Remember, the pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Tanggalin mo lang ang 7. So, pag naiwan, tinanggal natin ang 7, anong naiwan? 35 to 45. Again, the PCO2, 35 to 45. So, here's the twist. Kailangan ang PCO2 ay opposite sa arrow ng pH mo. Remember earlier, nakuha natin yung pH? Dapat ang arrow ng PCO2, opposite siya sa arrow ng ating pH. Example, if the arrow is opposite ang arrow nila, automatic ang sagot ay respiratory. If the arrow is opposite, example, if this is your pH, this is your HCO3, tingnan yung arrow, di ba opposite? Automatic ang answer dyan ay respiratory. However, if the pH is not opposite, hindi sila opposite, automatic ang sagot is metabolic. Example, if your pH is up and your PCO2 is also up, automatic ang answer is metabolic. Bakit? Tingnan yung arrow, hindi siya opposite. So, let's have a drill. Recap ha, pag opposite ang arrow ni pH at PCO2, respiratory. Pag hindi opposite, automatic ang sagot, metabolic. Okay, let's start ha. So, anong una titingnan natin dito? Drill 2 tayo, drill 2. Ang una titingnan natin is the 7.49, the pH. Let's place an arrow. The pH is up. Yan. Mataas ang pH. Pero, anong next titingnan natin? The PCO2. Ano ang PCO2? Up or down? The PCO2 is more than 45. Lalagyan natin ng arrow. Okay. Look at the arrow. Pareho up. So, anong sagot? Respiratory or metabolic? 3, 2, 1. The answer is metabolic. Alkalosis. Bakit? Hindi siya pwede respiratory kasi pareho up. Magiging respay lang if opposite ang arrow. O ito ha, tingnan nyo, hindi opposite. So the answer is metabolic alkalosis. Second, the pH is 7.50. The PCO2 is 31. Tingnan yung 31. pH 7.50, PCO2 31 bagsak. Is it opposite? Yes or no? Dahil opposite yan guys, automatic ang sagot ay respiratory. Pero dahil up ang pH, respiratory alkalosis. Very good. Next, 7.31. Down. PCO2 is 50. Up. Tingnan yung arrow. Down ang pH, up ang PCO2. So, anong sagot? Respiratory or metabolic? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is respiratory acidosis. Bakit? Opposite ang arrow. And the last one, 7.29, the arrow is down and the PCO2 is down. O, anong nangyari dito? Down and down. You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? Metabolic or respite? The correct answer, tingnan nyo, hindi siya opposite. Metabolic acidosis. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin what is respiratory or metabolic. Here comes the third rule. The third rule, guys, dito natin madidetermine if it is partially compensated, uncompensated, and fully compensated. Alright? So, the third rule, we need to look for any normal values. Pag may mga normal, hanapin natin. Okay. If, tingnan nyo to ha, if walang nag-normal, wala talagang nag-normal, we call that partially compensated. Kahit isang walang nag-normal, we call that partially compensated. If may nag-normal isa, either ang nag-normal is the PCO2 within 35 to 45 or the HCO3, pasok siya sa 22 to 26, ang sagot, uncompensated. However, if ang pH ang nag-normal, pasok siya sa 7.35 to 7.45, the answer is what? Fully compensated. The answer is fully compensated. Don't worry, we have a drill. Okay, go. Drill 1. pH, up or down? 7.49, up or down? So this is up. PCO2, normal. Bakit normal to, guys? Pasok siya sa 35 to 45. The HCO3 is up. Tingnan nyo, guys. Up, dito normal. So, hindi siya opposite. So, automatic ang answer. Hindi siya pwede respite kasi hindi siya opposite. Nag-normal to. Respiratory or metabolic? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is metabolic. Kasi magre-respire lang yan pag opposite. Pero, may nag-normal ba isa? Sino ang nag-normal? Ayan. Kung nag-normal ang PCO2 or HCO3, ang sagot is uncompensated. Ito, may nag-normal ang PCO2. So, ang answer natin dito, metabolic alkalosis, uncompensated. Another drill. pH, 7.50 up. PCO2 is down. HCO3 is down. So, up ang pH, yun ang first rule. Second rule is the PCO2. Tingnan nyo. Dito pa lang alam mo na respiratory kasi opposite. Maghanap tayo ng normal. Normal ba ang PCO2? No. Normal ba ang pH? No. Normal ba ang HCO3? No. Walang nag-normal. Saan dyan ang walang normal? Ito, none. Dahil walang nag-normal, ang answer dyan is partially. So, ito. Ano to? Respiratory or metabolic? Opposite, opposite. So, it is respiratory alkalosis kasi pa-up. Pero dahil walang nag-normal, partially compensated. Ayan, nakuha na natin. Next, 7.36. That is normal. Dito pa lang alam na natin fully compensated. Kasi nag-normal ang pH. Pero saan siya malapit? Malapit siya sa 35. So, lalagyan ko siya ng arrow down. Pero kung malapit siya sa 45, lalagyan ko siya ng arrow na up. So, ito daw, normal pero acidosis kasi malapit sa 35. PCO2, up. O, tingnan nyo, may sagot na tayo. Down na normal ang ating pH, up ang PCO2. Tingnan nyo to. So, is it opposite? Yes. The answer is respiratory acidosis. However, dahil normal ang pH, ang answer dyan, respiratory acidosis, fully compensated. Kasi normal ang pH. O, last one. 7.49 is up. 32 is down. 22 is normal. So, the 7.49 is up. The PCO2 is down. Dito pa lang, alam mo na kaagad, respiratory to. Respiratory alkalosis. May nag-normal ba? Tingin nga tayo. Normal ba ang PCO2? Hindi. Normal ba ang pH? Hindi. Normal ba ang HCO3? Yes. If kung nag-normal ang HCO3, tingnan nyo. Nandiyan ang normal ang HCO3, ang sagot po ay uncompensated. So this is respiratory alkalosis uncompensated. Alright, that will be the end of our ABG interpretation. I hope you learned a lot. So if you like this video, please repost this, guys. If you repost this, you can suggest a video na pwede kong gawa ng presentation. So please repost the video and share. And if you have any question, please place it in the comment. Thank you so much. This is Master Dan. Thank you so much and watch out for the next video. Bye everyone. See you later.